This is my main function, where I create the LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter objects and test each class by adding posts, displaying the profiles, and counting characters. When the program finishes, the destructors run automatically, showing that all three objects were cleaned up properly. This is my Twitter class, which inherits from social media. It stores tweets, checks the 280-character limit, overrides all required functions, and uses both iterative and recursive methods to count characters. This file contains the implementation of the Twitter class. It sets up the Twitter profile through the constructor, checks the 280-character limit when adding tweets, displays the user's information, and counts all characters using both a loop and a recursive helper function. It also includes a destructor message and lets the user delete tweets by index. This header file defines the LinkedIn class, which inherits from the social media base class. It stores LinkedIn posts, along with the user's job title and number of connections, and overrides all required functions such as adding posts, displaying the profile, counting characters, and deleting posts. This file contains the implementation of the LinkedIn class. It initializes the profile through the constructor, adds and deletes posts, displays the user's job title and connection count, and calculates the total number of characters in all LinkedIn posts. The destructor also prints a message when the LinkedIn object is deleted. This header file defines the Facebook class, which inherits from the social media base class. It stores Facebook posts, keeps track of likes for each post, and stores the user's friend count. The class overrides all required functions, including adding posts, displaying the profile, counting characters using a recursive helper function, and deleting posts along with their likes. This file contains the implementation of the Facebook class. The constructor sets up the profile with a username and friend count, and each post starts with 0 likes. The class displays the user's profile information, calculates average likes, and counts all characters in posts using a recursive helper function. It also lets users delete posts along with their likes, and the destructor prints a message when the Facebook object is deleted. This header file defines the social media abstract class, which provides the common features shared by all platforms. It stores the platform name, username, and number of posts, and includes pure virtual functions that every derived class must override, such as adding posts, displaying the profile, counting characters, and deleting posts. This file contains the implementation of the social media base class. It includes a default constructor, a parameterized constructor that sets the platform name, username, and number of posts, and a virtual destructor to allow proper cleanup when derived objects are deleted. Now I'm going to demonstrate how my project works. Thank you so much for your time.